PGM of Texas is a world-renowned recycler of critical minerals found in everyday items across the globe. We are industry leaders with the goal of recycling ethically sourced metals and minerals and re-entering them into the economy in the greenest way possible. 3 critical minerals we recycle are rhodium, palladium, and platinum. These are mined metals that are used in everyday products, from the circuit board in your laptop to life-saving cancer treatments. And most prominently, the catalytic converters that keep your car from polluting the environment. When a catalytic converter ends its life cycle on your vehicle, it can enter our facility, where we are able to extract the 3 precious metals and reintroduce them into the economy. By recycling, we decrease our reliance on mining, specifically in locations such as Russia and South Africa. Recycling at home also enables us to decrease our reliance on overseas aggregators such as China, a country that keeps all critical minerals within their borders for national interest. With the rise in catalytic converter theft across the country, PGM of Texas has taken significant steps to ensure that every converter entering into our facilities has been ethically sourced. Any seller that comes through our doors has their valid driver's license scanned, photo taken, and license plate information captured. We also request proof of ownership and verify any scrap metal dealer's license if applicable. All of our locations feature heavy surveillance, and our staff is in constant contact and collaboration with local law enforcement to ensure that thieves have no place to sell their stolen products. At PGM of Texas, we are committed to the ethical recycling of these critical minerals to safeguard our communities, our nation, and our environment. PGM of Texas, metals made for more.